Hello everybody. There have been a couple of questions on Blackboard about the question number 18 in chapter 3. So here we need to derive y with respect to x, where y is this thing here. And the important part is that we have a log there. That means log in base 10. Now, what can we do? Well, basically we need to transform the log in base 10 in something more manageable. So how can we do that? Well, we have a rule to do this, and we know that the logarithmic in base 10, that is what the Anton indicates with log, is equal to what? Well, this is equal to the logarithmic in base 10 of something. Let me indicate this like e, because e is convenient in this case, times the logarithmic in base e of x. Now what happened here? Well, we started with the logarithmic in base 10 of x, and you can see here 10 and x, 10 and x, and we transform this in this product. Now, why is this important? Well, first of all, please note the first term. This is just a number because e is the 2.71, etc. So the logarithm in base 10 of e is just a number. So it doesn't part. We can just say this is k, just to write easier notation. So when I want to make the derivative of the logarithmic in base 10 of x over the x, this is equal to the derivative of all this part. It is just, we can rewrite here, this is k ln x, where I write ln to say logarithmic in base e. So, okay, now we know how to do this, because we know that this is of what? Of k ln of x. Now this is a constant, so it can go out, and this is just the derivative of the natural logarithm of x. Well, this is easy, we know this is equal to 1 over x. Okay, so this is the first step. We can now derive, compute the derivative of the logarithm in base 10 of x easily. It is just k over x. Okay, given that, now we have to focus on the actual value of y, that is logarithm in base 10 of x over 1 plus logarithm in base 10 of x. So, let's start. Let's change page, and let me just write here to remember. So, logarithm in base 10 of x over 1 plus logarithmic in base 10 of x. Yeah, this is right. So let's start. The y over the x is equal to what? Well, this is the usual rule. The denominator we have 1 plus log x square, and the numerator we have the log of the first term of the numerator times the denominator, and we know that the log of this part is equal to x over k, sorry, the contrary, it's k over x times the denominator, 1 plus log x minus the logarithmic of the denominator, the derivative of the denominator, and what's that? Well, the constant goes away, so the derivative of 1 plus log x is just equal to the derivative of log x. And this is again k over x times the numerator. So logarithm base 10 of x. Okay, this is what we have. Now, what can we do here? Well, let's focus on the numerator. The numerator is kx plus k over x logarithm of x minus k over x log of x. And you can see this goes away. So we can rewrite this like k over x times the denominator log x square. And this is the final result. I hope it's clearer now, and good luck with your studies.